Hey guys, figured we would go ahead and try this again with actual voice recording this time. So we're going to go ahead and test the asset re-importing and the like. So we get our asset browser, we get our asset that we want to import. As you can see here, when we go to import it, we dropped in the model file, but then it also picks up the materials and assumes we need at least the diffuse image for those materials. But because the soldier shape is set up weird, where the image names used do not match the materials in the shape file, we do not find the image, so we get this little red exclamation mark. But we're going to go ahead and run through it anyway. So we do that. As we can see, we do not have a loaded image, and if we get the shape to load, we can see in here, no valid texture. So we can go back in here, we can do re-import, because when we do a imported asset, it keeps the original path that the shape came from, allowing us quick re-imports. This time we're going to click this, which lets us go find the file. So we find the image, and this now turns blue, because we have as a valid asset, which we could then change the import options if we wanted to, but we don't care. So we click done. And the refreshing is still a little weird here, so we're just going to go ahead and close out. And that's another lovely little bug with this. We fire it back up. Load the asset browser, and this time we can see, even in the preview, that we have the materials. We can drag and drop this guy in, and there you go. So it's correctly, once the refresh happens, which currently it's broken when we do a re-import, but when it loads, it does a correct lookup of any dependencies, and when we import our shapes, it naturally is dependent on those materials, so it loads those first automatically, which makes things a lot easier in the actual loading setup, where everything just automatically loads based on dependencies. So, some bugs to hash out, obviously, but should significantly streamline the importing and re-importing in case something changed or something broke, and collectively just simplify the pipeline.